Alright guys, so in this video we'll go over how to change your Straight Talk home internet password. Do this, okay? Connect to your internet using your mobile hotspot, open up a web browser, and then you want to enter, this URL into your address field. http :/, two of them, 192.168.1.1 in the address bar, press enter. Now, enter your default username and password, click on login. Usually you'll find this located on the sticker inside the battery compartment of your mobile hotspot or the back of the hotspot. You'll find it on the sticker. And once you're logged in, you want to tap or click on the settings tab right here. And then let me show you this image right now. Alright, so basically once you're logged in, you've tapped on the settings tab. And then you come here and then tap on WLAN settings. Okay, WLAN settings. And now you just need to come here where it says password. You can click on this and you just go ahead and change your password. Delete the current information, enter the desired password, and then just tap or click on apply to save your changes. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.